Hello everyone, welcome to a new Photoshop tutorial. Today we are going to make comic book art using cartoon filter and Photoshop effects. To begin, make two copies of original picture. Then go to Filter, Filter Gallery. Select poster edges with shown values and click OK. Next, go to Blending options. Check Stroke, change its color to white and increase its size to about 60 pixels. Add Inner Glow with black color and change its size to 60 as well. After that, make a second copy layer active and go to Filter, Pixelate, Color Halftone. Use shown parameters and press OK. Change blend mode of that layer to soft light. Select the first layer copy and make Vibrance Adjustment layer. Crank the vibrance slider all the way to the right and saturation to 11. From the Shape tool at the side panel, choose Custom One and add a speech bubble. Press Ctrl T to activate Transform and position it properly. Add a black stroke to it with size of about 8 pixels. Add whatever text you want to it. One of the suitable fonts for this type of text is MV Bolly. And with that, the tutorial is finished. I hope you found it informative, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. Let us know in the comments what would you like to see next. See you soon!